So for you to make this stretch mark cream and for it to work for you, you need Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I know a lot of you have requested for this video on how to make a stretch mark cream. In a recent video, I spoke about how I cleared my stretch marks with Palmer's Cocoa Butter stretch mark formula. I also spoke about how I made my own personalized stretch mark cream to completely get rid of my stretch marks. So today I'll be showing you guys how I made my own stretch mark cream that I used in clearing my stretch marks years ago. Before I proceed, I want you guys to understand what stretch marks are and why you have them. Stretch marks are caused by a stretching of the skin, and this stretching of the skin can be as a result of so many factors, which includes rapid weight gain or rapid weight loss, or even your hormones, especially for pregnant women. And also another factor that can contribute to stretching of the skin is bodybuilding. Like you see those guys that lift weights, heavy weight, they tend to have stretch marks around their biceps or around the armpit area. That's because of stretching of the skin. So another factor that can contribute to having stretch marks is using high amounts of steroids. For those of you that want 3 days whitening cream, 7 days half cast cream, wow, just wow, you want to transform into another race entirely in 7 days. Then on the 7th day you wake up with stretch marks that looks like you fought a tiger overnight. And you know the funny and amazing thing is that you still don't look like an half caste. Your stretch marks can fade completely if they are new. Yes, if you tackle them the moment they start coming out, depending on your skin type. But if your stretch marks are old, they might most likely not fade out completely, but they are going to fade to an extent where they are hardly visible. So let's proceed. Let's get to the point. So for you to make this stretch mark cream and for it to work for you, you need patience. 1,000 kilograms. Yes. Then also you need a hand mixer. This is how a hand mixer looks like. You need a hand mixer. Then the ingredients you'll be needing are shea butter, cocoa butter, coconut oil, vitamin E oil, python fat, lavender essential oil. These are the ingredients you'll be needing to make this stretch mark cream. So we'll be using shea butter 30 grams, cocoa butter 32 grams, coconut oil 20 grams, vitamin E oil 2 grams, python fat 10 grams, lavender essential oil 6 grams. If you don't have a scale, don't worry, I will also share a tablespoon formula. So you have to pay attention as I guide you on the step-by-step process on how to make this stretch mark removal cream. But I know some of you might be wondering, what the hell is python fat? Python fat is an oil gotten from pythons. Yes, python, the snake python. That's scary, right? Yes. But we are not going to worry ourselves about the python. What we need is the python fat. And you don't have to go into the forest to hunt and kill a python to extract his fat. They sell this fat in the market. All these women that sell herbs, all these herbs, yes, all these traditional stuff and herbs, you can ask them for python fat. They sell python fat in the market, and it's not so expensive. You can get from 2,000 to 2,500 naira for a small bottle. Python fat has been used for decades, for many decades, and it is renowned for its ability to fade off scars, not just ordinary scars, stubborn scars. That is why it is excellent for clearing stretch marks. That is why it is one of the key ingredients in this formula. For those of you that do not have a scale, this is the formula for This is the tablespoon formula, so you can use this and follow the steps I'll be sharing right now. Step 1: mix thoroughly with your hand mixer. Mix until you get a creamy consistency. Then you add your coconut oil. Mix again until the coconut oil and the butter are mixed properly. Then add your vitamin E oil and your python fat and mix for another 1 minute. After that, you add your lavender essential oil. After you must have added the lavender essential oil, mix properly until you get this creamy, very creamy consistency. Package the stretch mark cream in a clean jar and store at room temperature. This stretch mark cream might most likely not melt at room temperature because of the presence of hard oils. Hard oils are the butters in the formula, so you can keep in a cool place or you can keep at room temperature. It will most likely not melt. So this is how you use the stretch mark cream. You use the stretch mark cream 2 times a day, morning and night, until you are satisfied with your results, until you feel, oh, my stretch marks have faded and I think I am okay with this result. Or you can even continue using it on that area as long as you want to. This stretch mark formula has no side effect. It is all natural, so you can choose to use it for a lifetime. If your stretch marks are old, results might take a little bit longer than if your stretch marks are new. I think I've mentioned that before. Also, another way to get faster results is by exfoliating. When you exfoliate your skin, or when you exfoliate that part where you have stretch marks, you are most likely to get faster results than someone that does not exfoliate. And when choosing a scrub, choose a scrub that has coffee, because coffee is very excellent when it comes to clearing stretch marks. And however, there was a video on my channel where I made a DIY scrub for dark knuckles. You can use that because that scrub contains coffee, contains brown sugar, contains a whole lot of moisturizing properties, so you can use that scrub. That scrub will also serve as an excellent stretch mark scrub. If you haven't seen the video, I will just post the link below this video so you can go and check it out and see if you can make your own stretch mark scrub to add to use with the stretch mark cream. Use the scrub 2 to 3 times a week and at night only before you apply your stretch mark cream. So with this stretch mark formula and when combined with the coffee scrub, you should be able to get results. So thank you very much for watching. I hope this video was insightful. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did enjoy this video, please subscribe to my channel if you are not subscribed already. Like this video, share with your friends, and see you in my next video. Bye bye.